just as ano, in the National Unity Party, at the end of the 2018 elections, ended up with 25 congressmen in its ranks. No? So, and now, as we speak, we have gotten to a number of 50. We are 50 congressmen now in the National Unity Party. That includes 7 affiliated party list members, and 43 district congressmen in the National Unity Party.
Sir, are there any more who are planning to join you or who have signified their intention to join the NUP?
Maybe 1 or 2, but I think the more important thing to say is that the National Unity Party does not intend to go beyond, doesn't intend to go far beyond its current numbers. No? We have actually put in a figure of 50 before. Kami internally we have decided that not too much more than 50 should be a good enough number. Because beyond that, from experience, NUP has not wanted to go beyond that before. In the 17th Congress, we ended the elections with 60 NUP members, and even that was a little unwieldy already in the opinion of the party leadership. Because at 60, you end up with, I think, with some congressmen who might be at cross purposes with each other locally already. It is a little bit hard to come up with a party position that we will be able to carry through consistently 100%, as we have liked to believe we've always done. No? We've always taken a party position, and we take pride in the fact that the National Unity Party sticks to its political position, and we managed to be able to deliver a party position for any issue that we support or any person.